4 things that you should avoid doing in Royal Q. Whether you're already in Royal Q or you just want to join it soon, keep this video to the end because it's helpful. I'm sharing with you those things that you should never do in Royal Q because many people have done them and they ended up disappointed in the business. So I've come to share them with you so that you don't do those mistakes. Now guys, as we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now, the first thing you should avoid doing in Royal Q is not to borrow money to activate or trade. And don't use money you will need in the nearby future to trade on Royal Q. Many people do that mistake. Some of them use money they will be needing in the nearby future because they are so excited about the business. These guys who market Royal Q, sometimes they lie to you that you're going to be making money every day. You're going to be making profits between 5% to 10% every day. And you end up using the money you will be needing in the nearby future because you know you are going to be making profits every day. Royal Q, there is no guarantee that you will be earning every day since the robot doesn't control the crypto market. It only trades crypto on your behalf, so it doesn't control the market, so no one knows whether you will be earning every day or not. And by the way, in Royal Q, the profits you make depends on your capital, experience and the market. So guys, be careful. Don't use money you will be needing in the nearby future. Number 2, if you have no money, time and patience, don't bother to join Royal Q. Why? Many people have joined Royal Q with excitement and they ended up disappointed because whatever they expected in the business isn't what they found. Many people have joined Royal Q because those people who market the business lie to them that you don't need experience, which is wrong. When you join Royal Q, you need experience, and to get that experience, you need time to learn. After getting experience, you need money for the capital after activating. Then some people join Royal Q without enough capital and they end up disappointed because those people who market the business to them, they were sending them screenshots that you can make these profits out of $100, and someone come in with $100 and they ended up disappointed. Just know in Royal Q, your capital matters also. Your experience, your patience and your capital. You need patience also in Royal Q because sometimes the market tends to go down and there is no way you're going to push it up. Some people sell their coins at loss and they end up making losses, hence blaming Royal Q. So guys, make sure that if you have no time, patience and money, don't bother to join. Royal Q is not your thing. Number 3, don't be so greedy for profits. Many people who have just joined Royal Q, especially those who are newcomers in Royal Q, they tend to be so greedy for daily profits. Sometimes it is not very possible to make daily profits in Royal Q, especially if your capital is not too much. It is not very possible to make daily profits. Yes, you can make, but not very possible. Sometimes you may end up making 2 days without making profits, especially if you don't have that much capital. So guys, make sure that you are not so greedy for daily profits because you will end up making losses. Number 4, don't lie to others about the business while marketing because you want to bring them in the business and you earn. Some of you guys who market Royal Q are so greedy about the referral commission. Since once you bring someone in Royal Q, you earn some commission. So you just want to bring everyone. So you end up lying to people that they don't need experience, they don't need a much capital. You lie to them many things, that they are going to be earning every day no matter what. You guys, you do a very bad thing. Don't lie to others about the business. Make sure that you tell them the truth about the business so that they come in interested. Some people join Royal Q and they end up disappointed because what they expected isn't what they found. Some people, after bringing you in the business, they dump you because they have done earning their referral commission from you. Some of them don't even bother to train their downlines how to trade, how to use the robot. Sometimes they don't even reply to their messages because they are done earning. So you guys who market Royal Q, make sure that you big up on yourselves. Don't dump people after earning from them. Don't forget to like the video guys, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.